Hello, welcome back to the Mondeo. Today we're changing a headlight bulb. Is this, or is this not, the most annoying thing when you own a Mk4 Mondeo? Comes up on the screen and it says this. Oh! So now you have to completely remove the most annoying headlight unit that I've ever come across, barring obviously that one there, which is equally, if not slightly more, annoying. Why couldn't it be like the Mk3 Mondeo? Anyway, it's not too tricky, it's just fiddly. Now before I get to that, I just want to say, if you find this helpful, please do give me a thumbs up in this corner. If you want to do more Mondeo maintenance, find the subscribe and follow along. And if it's really helped you and it saved you some pennies rather than paying Halfords to do it, there's a gift button down there. I do appreciate it, it does help me to make more content. Right, let's get cracking. So to change the bulb, you do need to remove the headlamp. The headlamp is held in with these two bits here, but they are actually quite a clever bit of kit. So they're designed to be a T30 Torx, or you can use a really big flat blade screwdriver, or you can use a small flat blade screwdriver and go across. Or if you're really in the trouble, you can get a 1 penny and a pair of pliers, and this also works, but don't drop the penny. So it is just remove those two fixings, and it will also help you just with a bit of wiggle room if you take this out. Now I don't have these horrible annoying fixings in here. I removed them, I threw them in the bin. I just keep the bottom bit and I pop them in and out as I need to. They can be a bit of a sod to get out. Don't think too much of cutting them off and getting new ones to replace them. They really do just, you literally pop out, you can put fresh ones in. But yeah, horrible idea, but I get why they're there. Anyway, let's undo these and then I'll show you the wiggly bit. With those two fixings out, you kind of want to get hold of the headlamp and you want to pull it towards the centre of the car until you can get this corner to pop out of its hole. There she blows. Right, there you are. Now you can unplug it if you want, but you don't have to. At this point I need to reposition the camera so you can see what I'm doing on the inside. Okay, pop on the top, this bit comes off, and then you've got your bulbs. Now the one you want to change if it's your headlights, your normal dipped beam, is this one here. Pull the connector off, lever the thingy out the way, and there is your busted headlamp bulb. That little tang in the bottom there, point it downwards. In it goes, cover over, back into place, and there's a little click, and plug it back in. It really isn't that tricky. Cover in, bottom first, and then push it back until it clicks on both. There we are. That's as easy as it gets. You have got another bulb off in this corner here for the indicators. There's another access hole over on this part of the side. There are lots and lots of different bulbs in here. You've just got the wiggly fiddly bit to get it back in. So middle bit in first, wiggle, up and down, push the back corner in and put it back into place. Fit your 2 screws. And I'll pop my little cover back in. That's it. It really is that easy. Last thing we do before we put it all back together is make sure that it works, and which it does, lucky old me. So I thought I'd just quickly mention, yes, there was a side access port in here for this bulb. The back comes off for these two, and there's another side access port over on this far end for this bulb. So you have got 4 bulbs in here. What a horrible thing. So if that's helped you, thank you very much for watching. As I said, down on the bottom here, there's a thumbs up there, a gift thank you there if you'd like to. Hit the subscribe, follow along, and I'll see you on the next one.